Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got another Guess What's in the Box or bag video from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up this, as well as you guys may remember in the previous video, these Easy Red magnetic pop-up little trays, baskets, whatever you'd like to call them. So this is going to be somewhat related to these. Just to give you guys a hint, so this bag is 12 inches long, 11 inches wide, and deepest point is 1 3/4 inches deep. What do you guys think it is? It could be some more of these. Could be trays, could be something else on this box, could be gloves or lights, who knows, maybe something for what's missing on my wrecked truck. This is the rim that flew off, actually snapped the arm for the lower ball joint, the threads and everything, as well as the upper ball joint. But this video isn't necessarily about the truck. Got my floor mats and everything here. Ended up putting everything that I could grab out of the truck before I went to the collision and repair center, and put it in these two boxes and the bags right here. That truck is not down and out. You guys will see it again, whether my insurance repairs it. Hopefully they catch the guy and they force him to repair my truck, which would be nice if they repair it. There is no frame damage, no engine, transmission, radiator damage. Drive lines are fine. The rest of the tires are fine. All the tires are fully aired up. All my rims are good. It just happened that the arm snapped off. Both ball joints basically separated, and that's why the rim came off, and it just ripped the brake line and the ABS sensor wire out. So I just have to replace an arm, two ball joints, and the soft brake line. There was some bumper damage, some cosmetic damage to when I slid, as well as they had to drag my truck forward because it was pinned up against, my tires were pinned up against a guardrail that I hit, that I just slid next to. But bumper damage, grill, hood damage. The hood damage wasn't there until the fire department showed up. They were terrified that the truck was going to blow up, or for whatever reason. It broke my front windshield, which wasn't broken when I flipped. Trying to get into the truck, and then they realized, oh, they could just turn the key back on, because when I landed on the side of the truck, I turned the key off, put it in park, everything worked fine. Thought it was going to spark, so they were trying to get the hood open. They cut my battery cables. Looks like there's a little bit of damage to the brackets that hold my driver's side HID conversion headlight in with the halos and everything. Hopefully I'll be able to fix that. It's pretty hard to find that stuff now. A lot of companies are doing LED conversions now, which is kind of stupid because the HID is more reliable. But that truck is not down and out. You guys will definitely see it again Whether the insurance fixes it or they say that they're going to total it out, I don't know. Hopefully they... there was several witnesses. There was 5 witnesses, including that tire, this tire right here, and that whole assembly. Actually, the reason I have it is because it ended up going 5 blocks ahead, landed on a gravel truck's hood. His truck was recording, so I'm hoping that he got some video recording of the dude flying past him, because the dude slammed on his brakes. I swerved trying to get out of the way, and because he did it to me 5 times, he kept jumping in front of me. I'd move the slow lane, he would cut me off. I moved back to the fast lane, he'd cut me off. He was just being a jerk. But as soon as I flipped, he took off as fast as he could. So I'm hoping the truck has footage of the year, make, and model. The year, make, and model was a white 70-something Toyota pickup. Maybe, hopefully they got the license plate and my insurance can go after them. Some of the damages at the scene was less than when I took the photos and showed them on Instagram. That was actually at the tow yard. Kind of looks like the tow truck driver just didn't care. He figured, oh, it's wrecked, it's totaled, nobody's gonna come get it anyways, we're just gonna drop it off it looks like he dumped the dump bed and just let it fall and drove forward and just let it slam on the ground, because my headlights were not damaged. My headlights were still bolted perfectly in position. There's a lot more severe damage on the front driver's side quarter panel than there was when I landed on the side. So it looks like a lot of the damage was caused by the tow truck driver as well. Then, because I have photos of what it looked like at the scene and have photos of what it looked like at the tow yard, and the photos are definitely different. My insurance is also going to be filing a claim against the tow company for misuse and handling of the vehicle, as well as causing more severe damage. If the insurance doesn't pay, my insurance doesn't pay for it to be repaired, or they don't catch the guy that caused the accident, then truck's still coming home with me. I'm retaining it, and it's going to be repaired by me. So maybe possibly lots of content for you guys, which may be something you guys would be interested in. Also, waiting for today is July 27th, waiting for another 2000 4Runner. It is the Desert Dune paint job with the silver fender flares, just like mine. No hood scoop hood, but it is a limited edition 4x4. It's got a lift kit in it, bigger tires. It's got a Wrangler, Goodyear Wrangler trail track, something like that. Mud tires on it. Has rock sliders, some other goodies. Waiting for that to show up. So that's going to be another vehicle on the channel. So we're going to have 2 4Runners to be playing with. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Let me know what you guys think is in the bag. Appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Kind of easier to give an update on something like this that takes 2 or 3 minutes to do a video on. Appreciate you guys' time. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!